System.io makes creating landing pages easy, allowing you to build high-converting pages for lead generation, product sales, or promotions. Here's how to use System.io to create landing pages. Sign up and log in. First, visit System.io and create an account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Create a new funnel. From the dashboard, click Funnels, then click Create New Funnel. Choose a funnel type like lead generation or sell, depending on your goal for the landing page. Select Build from Scratch or choose a pre-built funnel template. Add a landing page. Once your funnel is created, click Add New Step. Choose Landing Page as the page type. Select a template or start from scratch, then click Create. Customize the page. Use the drag and drop editor to add elements like text, images, forms, buttons, and videos. Customize the design to fit your brand style, changing colors, fonts, and layout. Add forms and integrate. Add forms to capture lead information and connect them to your email marketing automation for follow-up. Publish and track. Once your landing page is ready, click Publish. You can now share the link or integrate the page with ads and social media. Use the analytics feature to track conversion rates and optimize your landing page.